Drake's Instagram presence has always been a masterclass in modern celebrity engagement. But as of late July 2025, his strategy has evolved in ways that are keeping fans in the music industry talking. With his main account at Champagne Papi boasting over 2.29 million followers and experiencing a remarkable 28.37% follower growth in just 1 month, Drake is proving that he's more than just a chart-topping artist. He's a social media powerhouse. Scrolling through his feed, you'll find a blend of professional highlights, personal snapshots, and cryptic teasers that keep his audience on their toes, wondering what's coming next. But the real game changer came in June 2025, when Drake made the bold decision to reopen the comments section on his main account. For nearly 6 years, fans could only like or share his posts, with comments locked down following his high-profile feud with Pusha T back in 2018. This period of silence built up an aura of exclusivity around his content, making every post feel like a rare insight into his world. Now, with the comments reopened, fans are calling it a luxury, flooding each new post with reactions, questions, and theories. The move has reignited a direct line of communication and turned every update into an interactive event. Drake's posting cadence is another sign of his digital dominance. Between June 28th and July 27th, 2025, he ramped up his total posts from 544 to 596, a surge that points to a deliberate effort to connect with fans more frequently and consistently. Each post averages 174.9 likes, underscoring the high engagement rate that sets him apart from other artists in the space. Whether he's sharing a candid moment backstage or a polished promotional image, his content resonates and sparks conversation across the platform. Yet, Drake's Instagram story doesn't stop with @Champagne Papi. In August 2024, he launched a secondary account, @PlotTwist, designed for exclusive, behind-the-scenes content. This account quickly became a treasure trove for fans, featuring extensive media dumps of studio sessions, unreleased tracks, and collaborations with heavyweights like Lotto, 21 Savage, and Young Thug. It's here that followers get to witness the raw, unfiltered side of Drake's creative process: late-night recording sessions, impromptu hangouts, and candid interactions with stars like Amber Rose and Saweetie. The secondary account offers a level of access that feels intimate and spontaneous, deepening fans' connection with his journey. Drake's dual account approach demonstrates a keen understanding of audience segmentation. On @Champagne Papi, he curates his public persona, balancing mainstream appeal with carefully chosen glimpses into his life. On @PlotTwist DT, he rewards his most devoted fans with content that feels personal and exclusive, a behind-the-curtain look at the artist at work and play. For brands, creators, and influencers looking to emulate Drake's Instagram success, the lessons are clear. Growth isn't just about posting more often. It's about evolving your engagement strategy and knowing when to open up new channels for interaction. Drake's willingness to experiment with comment access, launch new accounts, and showcase both polished and raw moments is a blueprint for keeping audiences invested and growing. At Famety, we understand the power of building a dynamic social media presence, just like Drake. Whether you need to boost your followers, increase engagement, or create memorable interactions across platforms, our services are designed to elevate your accounts to the next level. With live support and a limitless range of offerings, we help you turn every post into an opportunity, just as Drake has done time and again. Let's ignite your social media journey and make every update count.